Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
To fix your earbuds charging problem, start by checking the charging cable and port for any damage or debris. Sometimes, simply cleaning the port with a small, soft brush can remove obstructions. Ensure the charging case has power. If the issue persists, reset your earbuds according to the manufacturer's instructions, as this can often resolve charging issues. If these steps don't work, the problem may be with the earbuds themselves, and you might need to contact the manufacturer for further assistance or consider a replacement if they're under warranty.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.